Oyo! A pleasant morning to you all, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Praise Magara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's obvious, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. So basically, what's gonna be happening is today I'm gonna be putting one girl against four guys. I'm sure you all will shout Rufambase Kanoti, one girl versus four guys. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, Kuti, this girl is gonna be approaching four of them, including me and other three guys. So at the end of the video, the girl is gonna select Kuti Diani akwanza kuba moyo wake aroti Diani wacha kwanza kunge achitase ashidana naye. If it's obvious, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. I know you guys Kuti, you want my couples exchange your phones for 6 seconds, but if I'm not getting couples in the streets, what should I do, man? Do it say, we're trying something new every day. We're trying to bring something new each and every day. So you guys, I hope you watch the video, you like, comment, share, and you watch to the end. So basically what's going to be happening is at the end of the video, Muskana achata from number 5 up to, from number 4 up to number 1. Achirenga wakomana kuti awe mabasa ake they are weak, mabasa ake they are shit, mabasa ake they are junk, and we're going to be doing it in the street. You know, we're going to be doing it in the street. I think episode 1, there's Trump in, and then the other one in the street. So, if it's of your please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if there's a girl who want to be put on a speed date, now come on 4. One girl versus 4 guys. Or one guy versus 4 girls. Can I have a speed date? Come and get your soulmate. Don't forget to like, to comment, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Let's get it.
Thank you.
Anyways, I know from Bronx Rwanda. When you to back when you were a scan, where is it? I mean, we take a brand. Eh, wife material. Almost tells of a glass because we're not wife material. My ass, my buzz. Unwako kwazi ngwachinza ndokuona ndowanza kuona ufamba wega
saka kana ndifamba ndega unoonere
una wife material nifamba vanhu obo
wangusanyeke
aisi plus unwako utongooneka even zvori plus uona wife material inongodo yakanaka futi aisi zvidhiri chaizvo
sure
so sitara kwaunondiudza kani ridi
rikanganwa idzo 2 minutes idzodzo rokanganwa zita
no problem rokanganwa
tine kwati kuendera uko
inyaya yekuti ndanyanyonakirwa newe ndosaka ndatokanganwa zita kana ndangotarisa iwewe
nonzi
Kim omuro kategerako
ndikumira chegirangu ana phone
aish funyeba
andes ndinayo alright ndinayo
ndinokuwanzirwa nyaya boys yeah
aina line
so unoidi for this life
vitu zvimwe zvisina need line
utamba magame unomakore mangani
15
15 years unotamba magame
ko inotambe koiwe nemangani
timogesa
20
akawandisa
akawandisa
usikonata nandebvu erini
utona nababa asina ndebvu like nindedwangu ana ndebvu
tizvara asina ndebvu nemukwasha asina ndebvu
ikaka mungota mapotato mese
tokonozosaizana manje
ungonozosaizana aiwa fesi nozoneka kuti munhu yakura
apa situinanakirwa newe ndonyaya yakanyanyoipa isi fana kungoita wife material yangu ya 4KT waisi
ndichiri mwana
aiwa mutara wako anozongochiziva shamwari
iwe
vana vanga ndikovhura hombezo mai manje
ivavo ndivavo inini ndini
usadaro
serious
saka wati unozongobatika kudipenda kwazve
nindisweramba manje
unongobatika ukawani papo asi titi wakuona momusa wakuenda kubasa kana
vanoenda zvavo
but panenge asipo nombodhamawo pamwe pacho
ndidaro ndiri mwana anoteerera ndisweramba nefone yangu nditamba magame
nyaya dzacho dzikutonesa
if you are serious maybe unonditengera line
uda line ndiro mari
iwe hauziti line unoita mari
tisiye
onza 3 but unozondipoya 5
hausido tokondirowo mari zvako
handini chakwirawo kombi rinotenga line racho
andaida tokunzwa line inoita dhola
ndeyayo ini kwanenchida tengera nenchida mari yekombi
ukwanisa
ndinenge chida
kutengera
jateri
ukwanisa nokutengera inini
unokwanisa nonitengera
so unofanira kundipadza mama dzako idzodzo kakuitira kuti
munati ari nenhamba dzavo
iwe ungani waruzviita
ndevawo inini ndini
still anyways zongosangana muraundi ndamborowa raundi
it's okay bye
panabo
Yo, what's up? How you doing? What you doing out here all alone? What is your mumba zinganetse?
yeah mbenda panze chimbofura nemhepo
Mbofura nemhepo and nonzani.
my name is Kim.
Your name is?
Kim.
Her name is Kim. Hey, that's like na Kim Kardashian. I'm going to support you. Okay.
And you, what's your name?
My name is Sky. I'm the guy, you know.
Oh, it's Sky. Hi. Your name is nice.
Chimbude also turn. Hey, look at her. Hey, you look sexy, you know.
Wow, thank you.
Like, I'm actually mesmerized by the way you look. From your looks, yeah. Hey, why don't you stand up to me as a woman?
Look at me.
Hey, ungogara wega ko watorwa nemakudo ari handsome.
I'm Bunto.
Eh?
I'm Bunto.
Oh, I love it first sight. Hmm? Tony, come on, darling. Wasasimuka. Mwari. Come on, ukosimuka wapicha. Wanieta tisando kutakura. Ndokugona. Bedtime. Undotakurwa sei? Ndogona pamfudzi. Ndogona kuresa 69. Ndogona kuita say anything. Mastanzi yese ndokwanisa. Eh? Ndogona kutakura nemastanzi yese. Ozi amakudo ari handsome. Wow, mutendeka Tony. Okay. Mayona, Maizia. So there's one thing I liked about you, Kim. You know what? Your height. Ha games kana mrefu nimfesi mrefu ni azofilika wazi.
What you like? What you like?
I actually know it because I feel it.
It's okay.
Yo wambozwa nani? Wambozfila.
No, inandiziziwe.
It's actually your first time. I was almost try.
No, I'm scared.
Yeah?
I'm scared.
Just step aside. Eh? Ngoti roko rwangu rirefu handizogumane shedo ese. Roko rwangu tasaona selfistic pacharo ese.
No. No.
Robot, just a tip per shoulder.
No? Maybe check.
Handshake.
Yeah.
Handshake. Okay. Handshake. Every guy does that, right?
No.
Mutendere kona. Pani zviruitika unawakomana. Shama.
No, ngavadarike zvawo.
Vadari saka utarisa mwakomana. Unongotarisa nini chete?
Onetsogutarise.
Saka yasocheuka ungaswatarisa. Wandonera kupi?
Zvoda kuita ndakuonera.
Ndadonera newe.
Wati?
Wanti wandonera. Eka.
So?
Ngoda wandonera.
Not kuti pandanchida ucheoka iwewe. It seems like we don't hug and if my shoe or what?
Man, no. There's nothing that will happen, totally. You're going to go choke for it.
You're not going to tell us at the stage. Don't be an issue of choke.
Just a good. Yeah. Hakuna chi. Watoendaga but kuna mwakudarikira. Avana basi. So can I have your number?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone. What if I give you mine, then we communicate starting from there? Ngofeka maglass yangu. Famendo utone zvandiri kuona. Hey, she did it again. Hey, Zakorodza. Ndakuda.
How do I look?
You look amazing. Stunningly gorgeous.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, ndopa maglass angu masango. Uvoto zvone zvandinge ndichiona waise. So how am I gonna talk to you now? Where do you stay? Where are you from?
From Aspindale.
You're from Aspindale. I thought maybe you're from above.
Wait.
You're an angel. Yeah? You're an angel. Trust
Like
me.
serious?
Yeah.
Akusudanini pelele.
I can. Wambudani gangster.
No, I don't do my gangster.
So I'm actually the first one.
No.
So you did. You've done it before.
No.
Would you like to try?
No.
Yes.
To my relationships, no. My mom told me relationship maybe 18.
You're
That's for
18.
now.
So how old are you?
16.
You're 16.
Mhm.
Have you asked me how old I am?
How old are you?
Guess.
19.
So what's up with that?
Am I correct?
Do I look that young? Eish, a banana 6-pack, okay?
I've been a 6-pack.
Hey, kamajarani dumbo is.
Majari dumbo.
Yeah, the
I
dumbo.
don't date.
Alright, sure.
I don't date
Maybe
a slim
with
guy.
a slim guy, okay?
I need someone because I'm already slim.
Okay. I like that.
Baby girl.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
You're good. You're looking beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Kim.
Utarapasi. They can't hear you. What's your name?
I'm going to tell you, my name is Kim.
Kim. You have a beautiful name, Kim.
Thank you.
So,
What's your name?
I'm Daryl.
Wow.
Mm.
I like your name.
You like my name? So,
Name is nice.
non Morese in a proper way. Can you greet me like in a proper way? So, is that a proper way?
Yeah.
I do hugs.
No.
Huh? So, don't hug. For real, I do hugs.
Ndochka.
Unochka chi manje.
Kuaga.
Mags anochizo.
I don't know. Ajikise. But kuaga muno like muno mkomana.
Ngati mbotry tumbona kuti dzinotyisa.
Atisukutraya.
So Ramon Moresa.
Nakumboreza handshake.
No, like in a proper way. Ndakudza unoti I do hugs.
No, even handshake is a proper way.
So
It's our first time to meet, so we greet each other by
yeah, sure. Aswatanga gara kunokuma manje like anibokone an introvert nogara mumba.
ndakagara kunogojara but njira munhu
Asingafambi. Unongochitiyeko mumba.
nini ange ndichongo like sometimes ndichiona zvangu
TV.
namamovies.
So you're a fan of movies? What type of movies?
Romantic.
Wow. So you should invite me kumba kwangu like tumboita Netflix and chill.
No, alright. Ndona maromantic movies ndiri wani.
Uri one.
Oro nemunhu wegenda yangu.
Unoona maromantic movies uri one. Unongochida kuzoiti uri one.
Hapana, like
ndakubata.
Sarigaire.
So Kim, what's your type?
Pardon?
What's your type? Like type of a guy?
I like a slim guy.
Like a slim guy. Like me.
Complexion.
Like me.
Yeah, you're slim. But you're not black in complexion.
But I'm kinda black one.
No, you're not.
I'm not black. But I'm not light skinned at the same time.
But you're not black, you want to know that.
What else?
A tall guy.
A tall guy.
I'm tall.
It seems like you're just describing me.
No, I'm not describing.
For real.
A type
For real.
guy, and you know that.
So can you feel the sparkles sparking between us?
Apana chiro spark.
Apana chiro spark. But I asked you your type one, and it seems like you're just describing me, like my height.
Okay, let me tell you. Passion not describe as a good thing to that munakaita so. I'm not gonna wine.
Alright, cool. So are you in a relationship?
Yeah.
You're in a relationship. How long have you been dating that problem?
Problem?
Yeah.
How long? 2 years.
2 years.
In a month.
Oh, so it's a problem.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not.
No. It's not a problem.
2 years and a half.
In a month.
In a month.
Yeah.
But still, that's crazy.
Why?
Asokajikiswa.
Yeah, I can say that.
Oh.
Because ndiri murudo.
But cool food. Ati anongonongodiwa same time ndishidiwa.
No. I can't do that.
You can't do that.
I can't.
You don't cheat or cheat.
Yeah, I'm cheating. Because that guy, no experience. I can't cheat him.
You're deeply into him.
I love him so much with all my heart. The more you things.
But same way still, I can handle that. So like
you, but not me.
But I would try food with you. Where's balance with
No.
So like what's your ideal date? Kuno also dogs so in the square as time goes on. Kuno mention a vebrago.
I like I like traveling.
Like traveling.
Traveling.
Like kwenda kuma vacations, my staycations, my vacation.
Yeah.
So should I plan for a first vacation? That would be crazy.
We should. Okay.
For a first vacation, eh?
Let's plan.
So tutangane kwenda kupi for a first time?
Maybe we can go to Vic Falls.
Vic Falls? I don't like local places. Do you have a passport?
I don't have.
You don't have a passport? Damn. Abanado tumotanga kana nekwenda kana ku Durban, like out of Zim.
Like serious.
Yeah.
Okay, but passport itogona ngo is emergency passport.
Yeah, sure. For an emergency passport. Ne? So like we are trying to January and so when should we go for a first vacation?
I like let's go. England.
That's crazy.
Why?
So turn that in. So like do you go to school or nendo basa?
Nendo
shkoro. College or
high school?
Yes. What are you studying?
I do my sciences.
You do sciences? Which combination exactly?
She's so doziri.
Don't you more about you?
Yeah. More about me. She was like
Oh, like my basics.
She's business now.
Okay, I got you. Anyway, it was nice meeting you, ne?
Thank you.
Nengwakoramba kundihaga.
Next time.
Okay, bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Kokunaka leso.
Mukariro.
Ndapira mashoko.
Sure.
Inoyota tape yangu leso.
Tape yako ndiye akaita sei?
Tape kanako ngio tape ni malips ari 6 ngamo.
Maybe chisanganiswa.
Tudaro.
Yeah.
Anyways, good as it.
Ndiri bored.
Don't the praise, you can call me daddy.
I'm in the praise.
Yeah, but you can call me daddy.
Why?
I like it like that. That's my second name though.
Pretty daddy.
Yeah, daddy. Kana Zezi, not daddy. Zezi. Zezi.
Spelling yacho.
Zezi. Yeah, Zezi. Yeah, Zezi.
Oh, Zezi praise.
Yeah, Zezi praise. You can say it again. Zezi praise. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, what's up?
Bo.
She's bo. Kokunaka.
Again.
Yeah. So like, I'm still in shock kuti. So I'm wondering what how denga kwacho kwasara, and it seems like all the angels are now on it.
Wow. Asikuninyeperere.
Asikuniepa.
I can say thank you.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna ask if you are taken or not, but I wanna take you.
I'm taken.
I can take you and your men.
No, I'm already taken.
I can take you and your men. Let's see. Don't they mess? Yeah. You can have maybe a three something.
What's that?
It's like a date of 3 people.
A date of 3 people?
Yeah, it's a situation whereby I'm dating you and your men.
How?
Yeah.
How?
We'll actually do that.
How?
Don't worry. Maybe you have to experience it first. We have to try it first so that you see how does it work.
I can't try it. And a story go food.
But what makes you so sure?
Huh?
What makes you so sure?
So what?
That she knows so sure or almost nobody.
Ndochiriko muZimbabwe mtemo wedu mukadzi ndiye anoenda pabarika.
Tonongobvisa murume wacho na wako posara inini. How old is he?
He's like a sugar daddy.
Like how old? How old?
He's 30.
30? Huh? And how old are you?
I'm 22.
22. But I'm like 40. I can be 40 for you or 50. Since
How old are you?
Ish, a couple of years. Old enough to be a sugar daddy.
Yeah, old enough to be a sugar daddy.
Yeah, old enough to spoil you, to take you maybe to Zanzibar, Mauritius, you know what I'm saying, Cape Town. Do you love to travel?
No.
Yeah, but I'm old enough to give you a sugar daddy 500 for biscuits. You know.
Yeah.
Do 1,000.
I'm not only more than that.
Oh, but okay, I can give you maybe 2,000 yana for maybe airtime, fuel. I don't drive a model.
No.
The one sorted on a I can give him like an arc or something to do some errands.
No.
To run some errands. I know Shanzachi.
It's small. I know Shanza different cars, but mostly I know Shanza. Can say Raptor.
That's a car for in-drive. And Tap and Go, do you know Tap and Go is now using Raptors for in-drive? You know what I'm saying? So that's a car for in-drive. Maybe if he was driving like Raptor.
So she might in-drive and it.
Okay, I can drive you crazy since you're driving a Raptor.
Nah.
I know he's not driving you crazy.
Ow. Coach Mbovisa kept in Bogwana.
Kepi. And didn't know.
Noah. What's Noah?
So wrong with peanuts.
Peanuts?
Do you know peanuts?
No.
Yes. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your yesterday's name?
My yesterday's name? It's called the Rastafari's Looks.
Rastafari's
Yeah,
Looks.
probably inspired by Rastafatso.
I don't like to date Munano.
I can get a chef for you, like Suda.
Serious.
Yeah.
So cannot
Even hair remover.
cannot do come obvious.
I can wear you so that you won't see it.
I say it, but it's way to do one up.
But it's just the outer appearance. I don't think in a basa. I think what matters if you want it plain, I can shave. Yeah, yes, always clean. Shave. I think that's what matters. I can wear woolen when doing it. So maybe you won't.
You can wear woolen too.
Yeah, kuchipisa. What do you do kana kuchipisa with your hair?
So in fact my braids are piece.
My braids, okay. So I can get a plain haircut for you if you say yes.
Kana vazodzoka vakagerwa maybe tichangire papo.
So there's an opportunity.
No, I didn't say
so
that. I didn't say that.
Ndofana nogero first. And then panemkana. Those what taura.
Let me say apana mkana.
So ndofana ndaga unless kana ndagero. Maybe.
Kanogero tinenta
there's hope.
No.
Yeah, there's hope. It is. Guys, machines kiranzi ndofana kwenda gerwa. Time zangu zakwana. Okay. So yeah, now we're doing an outro name. Okay. Based on the Serango. Praise. There's a praise. Yeah, there's a P. There's a Puru. Yeah. Yeah, Pupu. Praise, yeah. Kana pipi. Kana dedi pipi. Muskana. Yeah, but they love cute names.
Cute.
Yeah. I think so. Very. I'm the definition of cute. Very cute. Anyways, based on I mean 4 guys, these are 4 guys. Which one do you think you can go on a second date with? Or which one do you think you can date?
I can say.
Okay. Firstly, I want you to range from the list from Vaumashure to number 1, and the reason why. This is
I can say.
On number 4, we're gonna put who and why?
I can say second guy.
Second guy. Who was second guy? Who was second guy? 4K. Second guy. Okay, you wanna go in a date with the second guy?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, you have heard it from the girl herself. She said she might go on a second date with the second guy. Okay, it's okay. So now, since we're selected the second guy, which is number 2, number 2, 3, and 4. Yeah.
Alright, number 1, I can say the second guy.
Okay.
Number 2, I can sing the third one.
Who was the third one? Rasta. Okay,
Yeah,
3 and 4.
Then I can say the last, number 3.
Who was the last one?
Yo.
Oh, gets me. Okay. And then.
The first.
But he's a hustler. He was. He's a hustler. You don't love hustlers. But you can take care of you.
I want someone on a pay slip.
I say.
Like on a pay slip.
On a pay slip. Oh. Yo, guys, I think you're ready for yourself. She said she wants someone and a pay slip, someone who works for someone. You feel me? Yo, Nezabega, thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Road to 26,000. Let's get it.